What is going on, guys? Welcome back into a brand new video here on the channel. So a few weeks ago I did a video in which I explained and gave a few tips on how to stay healthy, how to follow a healthy diet, and actually how to train while in university. So basically that whole video was in a budget. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave a link up here so you can go check it out. But in today's video I'm sharing with you a 10 euro diet. So I'm going to try and hit all my macros for today, which are 2600 calories. 10 euros might seem a lot for just one day. If you are on a budget, it means 70 euros during the whole week. With 10 euros I'm just shopping for one day. If you shop for the whole week, everything is gonna come off cheaper. So what I mean by that, if you buy a pack of pasta, for example, it may have inside 500 grams or a kilo. All of those, you are not going to eat them in one day, so you can spread it out during the week. Or a bag of rice or a bag of oats. And with just 10 euros, it's still pretty cheap. If you are happy for this video, make sure to leave a like. If you are new on the channel, if you don't know me, my name is Gessi. I'm an 18 years old college marketing student, and I also upload lifestyle videos here on YouTube all about improving life and documenting the process of doing so. So if you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And it is currently the 28th of December, 8:46 a.m. I'm gonna get this challenge started right now because I wanna also eat my breakfast. So we're going right now. I'm gonna document everything on why I picked those things, and also I'm gonna show you all my macros, and that will be it. If you'd like to see a video of me buying groceries for the entire week, that's gonna come out cheaper. So if you'd like to see that, if you'd like to get some more variety in your diet, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So let's jump straight into this challenge. Alright guys, so I'll try my best to get 3 to 4 meals. This one's, for example, one. This came out to 70 cents. I'm trying to keep a balanced diet, so we are going for 2500 total calories. So 50% of those will be carbs, 30% will be protein, and then 20% will be fat. I'm going for some oats here, €1.32. I'm gonna use those for breakfast, and then let's get some eggs. So I'm going for a pack of 12 eggs, even though I think I'm just going to eat between 3 and 6 eggs. So that's the total, that's 129. So my plan is to get as much carb as possible. So I'm trying to eat pasta for lunch and then rice for dinner. This one, for example, is just 45 cents. So yeah, I'll get one of these. Alright, so going for some spaghettis. I'll go for a pack of these, 500 grams in total. I think I'm going to eat only 100 or 150 grams, 70 cents. Let's go for some rice. Let's go for this one, 130. Let's go for this one. It's a kilo of it, but it's gonna be alright. I think I'm going for some tuna. I'll get just one of these and mix it up with the pasta.
Hola. Hola.
Alright, so last thing, I'm getting some more chicken so I can mix it with my eggs. So one of these is at €1. So that's everything. I'm just going to pay right now, and I hope everything fits within the budget. Alright guys, just finished buying everything. I've got here €9.63. So we've got some bananas, we've got some chicken breast, some eggs, some more chicken breast, then we got a tomato sauce, spaghettis, rice, tuna fish, we got some oats, and then 10 cents for the shopping bag. So I'm gonna head back home, start with the breakfast, and yeah, see you along. Alright guys, just came back from the groceries. I've got all the foods here, and I'm gonna go through what I'm eating for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also a few snacks. So starting off with breakfast, I bought a 12 pack of eggs, but I'm just going to have 6 of them mixed with some chicken, and also I'm having a bowl of oatmeal. I'm just going to use water for it. And then for lunch, I'm having some pasta mixed with tomato sauce and some tuna fish. As I told you before, this pack, for example, has 500 grams on it. So I'm not going to eat everything today. So if you buy in bulk, if you buy foods for a few days, everything is gonna come out cheaper. So I'm having those for lunch, and then for dinner, got some chicken breast, €1.46 for nearly 400 grams of it. So I'm going to have that, it's fresh. And then after I cook it, it's gonna come around at nearly 300 grams of cooked chicken breast. And then I'm having some rice. The same thing as I told you before goes for the rice. I'm not having this whole bag by myself today. So if I buy this bag, I can use it for a few days, which everything is gonna come out cheaper. So I'm having nearly 200 to 300 grams of rice, and that will be everything. And also I'm having 2 more bananas between my workout, and I think that will be everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get cooking. Alright guys, so breakfast is done. We've got a few scrambled eggs with a little bit of chicken. Very, very nice. We've got a bowl of oatmeal and some cinnamon on top. Let me try this. Love oatmeals. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll catch you with the second meal. Alright guys, just finished cooking my last meal. It's gonna be a normal one. We've got chicken and rice. We've got 300 grams of chicken, 200 grams of rice. And I know that I could have included some greens in this video, but I'm not in the mood today, so we're gonna stick with everything that we have. I'm going to prepare this meal and I'll let you know how it tastes. Alright guys, this is the last meal, some chicken and rice, 200 grams of rice, 300 grams of chicken. I'm gonna enjoy this one. This rice is so nice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos. If you want to see a video of me trying and buying food for the whole week, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.